In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators to tasks in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring teammates into a task so they stay informed, get updates, and can contribute without changing who's responsible for the work. First, open your browser and head to the Asana login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This is a quick, secure way to get in without typing a separate password, and it helps keep your work and personal accounts organized. When prompted, pick the Google account you use for Asana and confirm your email if you see that option. After you're signed in, you'll land on your Asana home or last opened project. Next, take a look at the left side of the screen. If the sidebar is collapsed, click the sidebar icon to expand it so you can easily navigate. If it doesn't open on the first try, click again until you see your navigation items. From there, click My Tasks to view the tasks assigned to you. This is often the fastest way to find the item you want to share, but you can also navigate to a project if your task lives there. Now, select the task you want to collaborate on. Click the task name to open its detail pane on the right. This is where you'll see the task description, assignee, due date, attachments, and comments. Scroll within the detail pane until you find the collaborators area. This section controls who follows the task and receives notifications about changes and comments. Click Collaborators to open the list, then choose Add Collaborators. Start typing the person's name or their work email. Asana will suggest teammates from your workspace. Select the correct person from the list and they'll be added immediately. They'll receive a notification and begin following the task. Remember, adding collaborators does not reassign the task. It simply keeps those people in the loop. The assignee remains the single owner responsible for completing it. A quick tip, add collaborators who need to review, approve, or stay informed, like stakeholders or cross-functional partners. This cuts down on side messages and ensures all context lives with the task. If you don't see someone when you search, they may not be part of your workspace or project permissions. Check with your admin or invite them to Asana as appropriate. Also, encourage collaborators to adjust their notification preferences if they want more or fewer updates. That's it. You've logged in, opened the sidebar, navigated to My Tasks, selected a task, and added collaborators so everyone who needs visibility and updates is included.